Given where the industry is headed, I wanted to get your take on the importance of what's going to change in how we do project management as professionals. Now, when I think of a NextGen PM or project manager, three things come to mind. I think the one that we're most familiar with would be, of course, project management skills, the use of things such as the framework identified in PMBOK and the supporting practice guides. But beyond that, I think there are two other dimensions to consider. One is the proper use of the right technology in the right way. Sure, generative AI is a hot topic right now, and it's very likely all of us use it in some capacity or have at least begun to play around with it. But have we used that AI in a way that leads us down a path towards success? Not just using a generative AI to spit out some kind of project outputs like risks or tasks for our plans, but are we also using it to run simulations, what-if analyses, and can we see sort of forecasts so we can plan around obstacles that might come at us? And finally, and this is the fun stuff I think, as we start to use that technology, our jobs could become more focused on the human side of project management. Things around cognitive load and awareness of biases and psychological wellness and behavioral science.